Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. Today, we're going to be checking out AI trading on Pocket Option. Now, obviously, this feature's been around for quite a while, but I've never actually thoroughly taken some time out of my day to look at what this AI trading feature is all about. So that's why I'm doing this stream. Yeah, it's good to be back. We're going to be taking a little deep dive into how the AI trading works, how we can set it up, and ultimately the most important question is, will the AI be able to make us some money? So straight off the bat, we're going to be trading the live markets. I suppose the time frame doesn't really matter. We'll be risking about $100 per trade. And yeah, so obviously if you click on your settings and you go to trading mode over here, you'll see that you have the option of choosing between two different types of trading modes. You've got classic, which is the mode that I use in my everyday trading, which is just simply buy or sell. And then obviously you've got AI mode, which includes the buy and sell as well as AI trading. And that is the trading mode that we've selected here today. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be good. I have no idea what to expect. And if we go ahead and click on AI trading here, we obviously get this message here saying, welcome to a new era of trading. We are thrilled to introduce our innovative one-click trading feature powered by advanced artificial intelligence. Simply click AI trading and our AI will determine the direction and the expiration time based on signals, technical analysis, and the experience of our traders. By clicking AI trading, you agree to the AI's decision. You can enable or disable AI trading mode at any time in the settings menu. And then obviously we have cancel and open a trade here. So before we click on open a trade, like I said, I've never tried this out before. Does the AI trading apply to the OTC markets only, or does it apply to the live markets as well? I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure. And that's what we're going to be checking out today. So obviously, like I said, we'll be sticking to the live markets. And I'm assuming that the AI will be opening trades based on the currency pair that you've selected. So right now I'm looking at EuroCAD. And obviously, if we click on AI trading, we click on open a trade, it's going to select a random trade duration. And yeah, we'll ultimately see what happens. So I'm assuming that's how it works. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm not going to be trading EuroCAD necessarily because it's got a low payout. I think we'll be focusing on higher payout assets because we want to make the most of the session. Like I said, we'll be risking $100 per trade, which is just over 3% of the account per trade. No martingale will be applied, no funny other strategies or confluences. What I might do throughout the stream is figure out why the AI has opened a trade or selected, to buy or sell using my trading experience and knowledge on the charts. So that's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. I'm not sure how many trades will open. At the end of the day, it depends on how long the trade durations are. If it's hours, then it's hours. If it's a couple of minutes, I suppose that would be more ideal. But yeah, we're going to check it out. Like I said, we won't be trading OTC. If you watched my previous stream, you'll know that I will be staying away from OTC for a very, very long time. So yeah. But before we get into things here, make sure that you guys smash a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And if you are interested in free binary option signals, I have a free Telegram group where I provide free weekly signals as well as free educational content that you guys can learn a lot from. Obviously, the content will help you expand your trading knowledge and trading expertise. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure that you guys go and check that out. The link is in the description below. So like I said, it is free to join. And then of course, I do have a VIP group, which is also free to join. The link is in the description below to my referral link. All you have to do is sign up under my referral link, make a deposit with as little as $5. You can start with as little as $5 and you can get going. You will have a lifetime membership, lifetime access to my signals. It's free. And once you join, you will receive 5 signals per day, Monday to Friday, trading both London and New York session. You'll also receive my 15 module trading course. If you guys want to know exactly how I trade, if you want the best tips and tricks, make sure that you guys sign up, become a VIP member today, and you will have access to that trading course. So yeah, of course, my results, I do post every single day in the free group. I do have a proven track record with a win rate above 75%. So that, of course, is there. If you guys have a couple of questions and if you guys want to know some more, of course, my personal Telegram is in the link in the description below. So do go and check that out. Contact me if you guys have any questions. And yeah, but we're going to jump straight into things here. What I'm going to do before we do that, appreciate you guys joining here today. Pranay Campbell, appreciate you coming on. And of course, Onyeke, appreciate you joining, man. Appreciate you joining. joining. Appreciate you guys joining. Appreciate you guys coming on. I'm just wondering, was I muted this whole time? I don't even know. I don't even know if I was muted this whole time. If I was, that's just going to be ridiculous. I hope I wasn't muted. I hope I wasn't muted. I think I may have been muted. Yeah. But so far, we've taken a trade. This is the 4th trade of the stream, and the AI has taken a buy position, a 3-minute buy position on Euro GBP. A 3-minute buy position on Euro GBP. It looks like it's going to be a close call. Although I must say I'm not all that convinced by what I'm seeing here. It's going to be a close call. It's going to be a very, very close call. If we win this trade, we're going to win it by a couple of points. And we do indeed. That's an 88% payout. Beautiful. We won the trade by 2 points. We won the trade by 2 points. Obviously, the AI decided to buy with this swing of bullish momentum we have here. I obviously said I wouldn't have personally bought there, simply because if we take a look here, we've got this downward channel on Euro GBP. Price is bearish on the 5-minute time frame, forming lower lows and lower highs. And obviously, we have this fair value gap here as well, which price filled. And I just thought, all this is here is a pullback, and we'll probably see a continuation to the downside. So I was a bit skeptical when the AI bought, but we secured an 88% payout. And obviously, so far that is 3 wins out of 4 so far. I'm impressed. I am impressed, I must say. Let's see. We'll take a trade on GBP ORD. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so the next trade we've got here is GBP ORD. And the AI's opened a 1-minute buy position on GBP ORD. Interesting. Let's see what happens. I think I would have taken a 1-minute buy position here. I think it's a decent buy position, that. A good call by the AI. That's a very nice trade. That's a very nice trade. I think we've got this one in the bag. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, the reason why I would have taken this trade is, if we take a look here, we got this push to the upside. We have an order block right here. We have an order block on the 5-minute time frame. Price dropped into the order block and started rejecting off the order block. And the AI bought. That was a sniper entry. Beautiful trade on GBP ORD. Securing an 89% payout We won the trade by 4 points, and that's 4 wins out of 5 on the stream so far. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm very, very impressed. I'm very, very impressed. Yeah. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay, let's go USD JPY. If I zoom out here, this is looking, on the average trader's eye, it's not looking too soft. It's not soft on the eye at all. But we are relying on the AI here. Let's play a little game here. What will the AI do? Will the AI buy or sell? I think the AI is going to buy here. I'm going to open. Let's see what the AI does. I'm going for a buy here. And the AI has gone with a 1 minute buy position. The AI has gone with a 1 minute buy position. Interesting. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this one's gone against us slightly. Although I would say it wasn't a bad buy. I predicted that the AI would buy here, because if we go down to the 1 minute time frame, you'll see that price is down at support. Price is down at support. And momentum was starting to swing to the upside here before this stupid candle formed. And yeah, it looked like price was going to continue going up, most likely to this resistance zone here. I would have taken the same buy position. It was a good call on the AI. I'm very impressed with the call so far. There's been one or two that I've questioned, but so far the calls have made sense on the live markets, obviously. But that one was a loss, unfortunately, -7 points. But we are still in profit. We're up $156 for the stream so far, and we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Let's go CHF JPY. Okay, so as you can see, we've got this swing of bullish momentum to the upside on the 5 minute time frame. I'm guessing because we've got this bullish momentum swing, the AI is going to buy. The AI is going to open a buy position. Let's see. No. Okay. It's opened a 3 minute sell position. Interesting. I wouldn't have thought so. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't know about this one because if we zoom out, you can see that CHF JPY came down, consolidated, broke structure, pulled back, and I think we're going to get a continuation of that bullish structure to the upside. Although the AI has made some interesting calls where I wouldn't have taken a trade, and then, you know, it does well, and then we end up winning the trade. So, yeah, it's interesting. It's very interesting. But CHF JPY has pushed up here as expected. It makes sense to me why the price is going up. So, yeah. But the AI has made some pretty good calls so far. It's made some pretty good calls. Looks like it's going to be another close one. I mean, it's not pushed up significantly from where the trade is opened. I think if we break above this 203.321 high we have here, 203.320 high, then I won't take the trade. What do you mean? Sorry, not take the trade. I mean, I don't think we will win the trade. Yeah, this one's not in our favor at all. We'll need something miraculous to happen for us to win the trade. Like that. Like that. It's going to be a close call, this. It's going to be a very close call. We saw that sudden drop. It's going to be a close one. Just. That was mighty close. Wow. That was mighty close. Look at that. It pushed up quite significantly, and then it dropped below entry price on 2 occasions before pushing up a couple of points, and we lost this one by 2 points. Very close. Wow. But I do feel that the price will probably break above this high we have here, 203.321, and continue pushing up here. We had a significant push to the upside and that pullback, and we're going to see price rise back up again. That's probably what's going to happen there. Okay, GBP-CHF. We've got a little bit of resistance here, which, again, that doesn't really matter. I'm guessing the AI is going to go with a sell here. Well, actually, I don't know. Let's see. What will the AI do? I'm going for a sell. The AI goes for a buy. I think that's the second buy now that the AI's gone with on GBP-CHF. We took a buy on GBP-CHF earlier, which didn't work out. We lost the trade by 7 points. It's gone with another buy here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, the bearish momentum here on GBP-CHF is so strong. Look at that. Let's look at this downtrend we have here. It is ridiculously powerful. I thought it was going to go for a sell. I predicted a sell. I would have taken a sell. But again, at the end of the day, it's not about what I would do. It's not about what I would do. Interesting. Very interesting. If it pulls back above our entry, that will be the trade of the stream so far, for sure. No, I don't think it will. A nice idea. A nice little fairy tale, but it didn't happen. So that's another loss. Okay, so that's 3 losses in a row we've taken now. And so far, we've opened 8 trades using the AI. And we've won 4 and we've lost 4. Yeah, the last 3 trades weren't great. But again, what can you expect? I mean, at the end of the stream, when we are done trading, we'll be able to weigh everything up and look at whether it's even worth using this AI tool or this feature in the long term. Okay, I'm going to open a sell. I keep saying I'm going to open a sell because naturally I'll look at a chart and decide whether I want to open a buy or a sell. Let's see what the AI does. I think the AI is going to sell. We've got a nice swing of bearish momentum here. We've got push up into resistance. Let's see. And the AI sells. A 1 minute sell here on AUD USD. I would have probably done the same thing. Maybe not all the way down here, but probably up there. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Let's see what happens with the trade. Yeah, like I was saying, we have resistance here, which price is pushed up into, failed to break it. And obviously we've got a drop to the downside here. Hopefully we don't form a candle like this here. Hopefully not. Hopefully we get a continuation to the downside. It's looking like another close trade. If we lose this one, this will be 4 losses in a row using the AI. That's going to be close. I said we can't see this candle. We can't see this candle forming, and it formed. Man, that's okay. That's 4 losses in a row. Right. It's getting interesting now. 4 losses in a row. Listen, at the beginning, it was looking great. 2 wins. I think after this GBP order trade, I was like, this could be one heck of a tool if applied properly. Now, interestingly enough, I was just thinking to myself as I'm opening these trades, would you be able to use the AI trading with other confluences? So what I mean by that is, like, let's just say price comes up to resistance or it fills some fair value gaps, or there is liquidity sweep. Would you be able to use the AI to open trades as an extra confluence? It's interesting. I might do a stream with that, combining my own confluences and insights with the AI to see if it syncs up with what I'm wanting to do, with the intended direction of where I think price is going to go, or will it go against it? Because so far, the AI has opened trades that I would naturally open. So I genuinely thought it would be a lot worse. Seriously, I thought that this thing is going to... Look, don't get me wrong, we've lost 4 trades in a row, but maybe there's a little more to the AI than just recklessly opening buys and sells, because that's what we're doing here. We're just clicking on AI trading, and it's opening buys and sells according to technical analysis and all sorts of other stuff. So yeah, let's see. We'll go with GBP USD. What is GBP USD saying? Okay, so we're getting a little bit of bullish momentum here on GBP USD, an 87% payout. I'm predicting the AI is going to buy here, a 1 or a 2 minute buy. Let's see what happens. It sold. Okay, it sold. The AI decided to open a sell. Look, price is consolidating here at the moment. We go down to the 1 minute time frame. That is evident. Whether that consolidation continues, I'm not sure. Personally, I wouldn't have opened a sell here. Would I have opened a buy? Probably not. I would have waited for a little more. But the price has dropped in our favor. So, yeah. This win is much needed, I think, after the 4 losses in a row we've taken. Be nice just to get back on track. But I do feel that price will probably continue to bounce in and around the support and resistance that we have here. We'll just go and mark it up, show you guys what I'm talking about. We have clear support down here. And then up here we have resistance. Support and resistance. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx it. Because the price is starting to push up here. So GU is a little volatile. 5 losses. 5 losses in a row. Wow. I was actually pretty confident with this one. I mean, the trade was opened and then I just decided to push above the sell entry. Look at that. It was going so well, and then in the last minute, it just decided to pull an OTC. it went full OTC right here. It went full OTC. Look, if I lose 2 more trades, with the AI, I'm getting out. That'll be it. I think that will definitely make my mind up about the stream. But like I mentioned earlier, there could be a little more to the AI. I think if you combine it with other confluences, maybe opening trades using the AI on, whole numbers instead of random seconds. So what I mean by that, like, instead of opening a trade at 12 o'clock, 50 minutes, 30 seconds, we open in whole numbers, 12:51 or 12:52, and then combining it with support and resistance levels like we've done here, liquidity sweeps, order blocks, which I've sort of been marking out throughout the stream, but I've not been looking for those things before I open a trade with the AI. What I've been trying to do is understand why the AI is opening the trades it's opening, why it's buying, why it's selling. And with that information, I might even just do a stream tomorrow where I combine the AI trading with different confluences to see, will that make a difference? Because part of me is saying, yes, you can win trades here and there using the AI, but if you combine it with a strategy or a trend or some sort of confluence, will that make a difference? And it looks like if we take a look at the trades it's opening, the AI is opening 1 to 3 minute trades. 1, 2, or 3 minute trade durations, nothing more. My fear at the beginning of the stream was, is the AI going to open 1 hour trades? But it hasn't. So obviously there's a pattern here. It's 1, 2, or 3 minute trades. So we can obviously use that. Now I think obviously the time frame that you want to be trading off of would be the 1 minute time frame. Because the 5 minute time frame's okay if you want that higher time frame confluence. But when combining the AI with a strategy, it looks like the 1 minute time frame or the 2 minute time frame will probably be the go-to time frame. But I'll open a couple more trades here. And this is the first time I'm using AI trading. It's given me an idea of how it operates, how it works. What is the algorithm it uses? I don't know. I'm not entirely sure. But I wouldn't recommend just using AI trading just because. yeah, AI trading on its own as a tool, maybe not. But we have a setup here on OrdCAD, and the payout is 84%. Let's see. See what the AI does. The AI has opened a sell position here on OrdCAD, which is, well, interesting to say the least. It does look like price is becoming a little bit exhausted here after this big push to the upside. So I won't be surprised if we do win the trade, but again, this is very, very strong bullish momentum. So trading against the trend is not always a great idea. I don't always recommend it. What is the AI used to determine? Well, Leston, the AI, well, when I read the description, I can't go and see it now, but it says it uses technical analysis and all sorts of, I don't know what it uses exactly. I'm assuming it's probably, there's an algorithm involved used to determine trends. Maybe the algorithm is coded with built-in indicators to detect what the best probability trade to open, a buy or a sell. I'm not entirely sure. It just says it uses technical analysis and I forgot what else. You'll have to go back to the stream at the beginning where I spoke about it. The information is there. But this is not looking great. If we lose this trade, there'll be 5 losses in a row. 5 losses. The AI basically traded against the trend here. We got a big swing to the upside. If we zoom out, a big push. I did say that price was getting exhausted because, you know, after a big push, reversals are imminent or pullbacks. And decided to open a 2-minute sell. That's another loss. 5 losses in a row. The wheels are coming off. The wheels are coming off. I mean, it started so well. It started so well. I think what I'm going to do is open one more trade and see what happens. Hopefully we can end it on a high note, but I'm not just going to keep opening trades with the AI. We've lost $354, $344. Yeah. Let's see. We'll go with GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD, last trade right here. We got an 87% payout. What is the AI going to do? Is it going to open a buy or is it going to open a sell? My prediction is the AI is going to open a buy here. Got a swing of bullish momentum here. Yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. Let's go. Oh, okay. It's opened a 1 minute 30-second trade this time. We've got a 1 minute 30-second trade duration, which is the first of the stream. And yeah, I predicted it to open a buy. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we can push up to this 1.8660 high. If we get a continuation to the upside, that will give me a lot more confidence. It's just rejected back down. Look at that. Wow. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. I am speechless. This will be the 6th loss in a row. Wow. The 6th loss in a row. Look at that. Wow. Crazy. Insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses. I miscounted. 7 losses in a row using the AI trading feature. That's insane. And this is trading the real markets, by the way, the real live markets. Okay, as you can see, each trade has the little AI logo next to it. Incredible. I mean, it started so well, right? We kickstarted things, trading or JPY, or USD, Euro GBP. I mean, up until this point, I was thinking, wow, this is one heck of a tool. Why aren't more people using this? And then it just went downhill from there. It literally just took a nosedive from that GBP or trade. It's almost like it said, no, you've won enough, time to go on a losing streak. Not that we were even on a winning streak, really. But my overall opinion, trading using the AI to open trades without any careful planning, technical analysis of your own, I don't recommend it. I would give this a total. I mean, we've taken how many trades here? I think 12 trades in total. We've won 4 and we've lost 8. That's a 33.33% win rate. Obviously, the AI had its own reasons for opening the trades it did. It obviously selected a different trade duration each time. But it wasn't great, if I'm being honest. We ended up losing $444 for the stream. And I wouldn't use it again. I wouldn't use it. Okay, well, let me rephrase that. I wouldn't use it on its own. I would combine it with other confluences and I would be more strategic about it. And I think that's what I'll probably do tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. We'll use the AI trading. We'll use the AI trading feature again. And this time I'll probably go down to the 1 minute time frame just because the average trade durations it was opening was 1 to 3 minutes. So I think the best time frame to sort of be on would be the 1 minute time frame. Then we'll look for those support resistance levels. We'll look for liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, breaks of structure, price action, just the typical confluences I use in my everyday trading. So maybe that would make a difference. Maybe that would make a difference. Because a lot of the trades we opened with the AI here, I wouldn't have opened myself. But I will commend it and say there were some trades here that I would have opened. Some of them lost, some of them won. But just to spam AI trades and hope for the best, not recommended. I would give it a rating of the win rate we got. 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. That's my rating of the AI trading tool. 3 out of 10. Because it's not like we lost all the trades we took. We won some, but this losing streak here is absolutely ridiculous. Now, is it the AI's fault? Who knows? I don't know what sort of algorithms and how, I don't know what or how it's coded. I don't even know if it's outdated. Is this AI trading tool here, is it outdated? Who knows? Because this baby's been around for quite a while. It's been around for quite a while. And of course, if you guys are interested in checking out this AI trading tool, you go to, we are in trading mode, classic mode or trading mode. You select AI mode, and of course, The classic mode is obviously what I use to trade every day, and the AI trading or AI mode includes the buys and sells as well as the AI trading. So go and check that out. Go and check that out and try it out for yourselves. But again, that's not financial advice. You guys saw what happened on the stream here. 8 losses, 4 wins. A 7-loss win streak. I did say that you can expect those win streaks and those losing streaks, but I didn't expect it to be 7 losses in a row. That is insanity. That was a test. It was a test to see. I was happy to do it live because this is the first time I've tried it out. And tomorrow we'll be back again, and this time I will be taking more precaution with the AI feature. And we'll be combining it, trading the live markets on the 1-minute time frame, and we'll see if that makes a difference, and we'll compare it. We'll compare the 2 streams and say which was better, of course. So yeah, I am looking forward to that. But hopefully this gave you guys some insight for those of you that don't know how the AI trading or AI feature works. And hopefully that helped you make your mind up about whether to use it or not. Long term, I don't see it as a sustainable tool to use on its own. But tomorrow we will see if combining it with a strategy will make it better. But make sure you guys smash a like, subscribe, of course. And if you guys are interested in free binary option signals, I have a free Telegram group where I send out free weekly signals, free educational content that you guys can learn a lot from. It will help you expand your trading knowledge for absolutely free. Go and check it out. The link is in the description below. And of course, I do have a VIP group, which is free to join. All you have to do is sign up under my referral link. The link is in the description below to that as well. You can sign up with as little as $5, 5 USD, and you'll have lifetime access to my signals. I send out 25 signals per week, 5 signals per day, Monday to Friday, with a win rate over 75% with a proven track record. I post my results every single day in the free group. So it's all there for you to see. If you do have some questions, make sure to send me a message on Telegram. DM me. The link in the description below to my personal Telegram. So reach out, contact me. And of course, once you become a VIP member, you will also have access to my 15-module trading course. So that will also help you expand your trading knowledge and your skills beyond belief. So yeah. But yeah, it was a great stream. I enjoyed it. Obviously, besides losing $444, we'll be back again tomorrow, and we'll see what we can do with this AI trading tool, combining it with different confluences. So we will check that out again tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Much love, guys, and I will see you in the next one.